Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Strong gains in major cryptocurrencies and corporate moves highlight rising institutional confidence, even as US lawmakers once again stall stablecoin regulation. Market volatility offered fresh investment openings and critical compliance advances. Now, let's get into the details. BTC soared above $100,000 for the first time in months, after a US trade deal and hopes for rate cuts drove enthusiastic inflows. Ether jumped nearly 20% following the Pectra upgrade, which also burned tens of thousands in deflationary burns. Liquidations topped $1 billion as short positions were squeezed across Bitcoin and Ethereum markets, igniting rallies in Dogecoin, Cardano, and Solana, and sparking a fresh altcoin frenzy. On the corporate front, Tokyo hotel group Metaplanet sold over $21 million in bonds to buy more Bitcoin, bringing its holdings above 5,500 coins, while Marathon Digital reported a quarterly loss, but noted record reserves. Coinbase sealed a $2.9 billion deal for Deribit, underwriting 70% in cash and shares, and cementing its spot as the top crypto derivatives platform. Call option flows on Deribit at strikes above $110,000 signal bullish bets into midsummer. Steak and Shake will add Bitcoin payments at all US restaurants on May 16th, and Florida distributor Wellgistics Health closed a $50 million credit line to use XRP for instant treasury payouts across thousands of pharmacies. In the options and ETF world, ARK Invest drove nearly 30,000 Bitcoin into US spot funds, as Standard Chartered suggested its $120,000 target for Bitcoin may be conservative. Institutional inflows and flagging exchange reserves underscored shifting market dynamics. Legislation hit turbulence as the Senate failed to advance the Genius Stablecoin Act, prompting warnings from Ripple's CEO and the Treasury Secretary about US competitiveness, even as the SEC reached a $50 million settlement with Ripple pending judicial approval. Meta quietly renewed stablecoin research for creator payouts after Diem's failure, and financial services giant Stripe launched stablecoin business accounts under new OCC guidance clearing banks to offer crypto custody. Regulatory and compliance wins included GSR winning approvals in the UK and Singapore, and Superstate launching tokenized equity trading on Solana, with its opening bell platform awaiting its first listing. German authorities shuttered the EX exchange and seized $38 million in suspected laundered funds linked to major hacks. Kuwait questioned over 100 crypto miners in a crackdown on illicit power use. High-profile legal dramas continued as Alex Mashinsky received a 12-year prison term. A Virginia man was sent away for funding ISIS with crypto, and Zerebro founder Jeffy Yu was discovered alive after staging a faked death that sparked a meme coin surge. Reddit moved to block AI bots after a University of Zurich experiment, while new AI models from Mistral and Google's Gemini added enterprise firepower at lower cost. Data ownership took center stage as Anna Kozlowska's previewed decentralized data DAOs and user-owned AI at Consensus, and the tokenization of real-world assets reached a $250 billion market led by Ethereum infrastructure. An American cardinal's surprise election as Pope proved life's unpredictability. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.